Hey, Dracula.
Excuse me.
Hey.
Dracula?
Yeah.
Did you get me the whole body or is just
Well,
half?
yeah, turn around. Okay, turn around now. Now wiggle around it.
Okay, that's it. Stop it.
How come you can't look through the viewfinder thing here?
I don't know.
What's it there for?
You can.
I don't see anything.
Put it up.
I've done that. I still don't see anything.
I don't know. Okay, we have to go anyway.
Okay.
Frog would have been really funny.
What's that? Yes. I wanted to see that one.
You can stay and hang around for this one.
Till 10? And then it starts at 10:30?
10. You can stop it. I'm just gonna go in the Aspen School of Rock Lake.
Okay. Ask what time it really starts.
And think, gosh, it's stupid enough she won't see it. What?
It's been to your life. It's been mine as old.
Why don't you stop this now?
Apparently Mike said he's not going to take his clothes off for this film. And I thank him.
La 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 no boom. Amen. It's falling down around my ears. I'm drowning in the river of my tears. When all my hope is gone, you hold me this way. I need you at the dimming of the day. It's fuck off! I hate you. Go away!
Drinky?
No.
Drinky? Hello, Drinky.
Gotta erase that. Not saying leave me alone.
A good look here. I guess it would be here if it was going to be anywhere. It's quite the zoom on this thing, really. Okay, no, it looks okay.
She's a cool shape too. It's pretty cool she's on. Real bod. Oh, we haven't heard her in a while. She's pretty cool. Well, whiny. There could be okay.
Our Lautenberg. And the gig's at 9.
As in PM.
Yeah, and you can read all about it in Zitty or Tip in the listings.
The gig is at 2100. And I can't get used to this spread keyboard.
No, it takes a while, but once you're used to it, all the rest are shite.
Shall.
It's kind of like driving a Mercedes, you know?
Is it Berg, BE or BU?
Doesn't matter. What's the difference between Berg and Bug? One's town, I think, and one's
One's town and one's
castle.
mountain.
One's
As in iceberg.
yeah. Hey, yeah, iceberg. The old Germans must have gave us that word.
Yeah.
Die alte Deutsche.
Ja.
Ja, die alte Deutsche, ja,
Ja.
gibt zu uns das Wörter.
Hey, you know what?
Was?
My accent has a little bit of German. I've been thinking about this.
Yeah?
You see, I live in Adelaide, and we're told that we have a posh sounding accent. People confuse us with the English.
Well, I agree. You sound like a bunch of stuck-up snobs to me.
It's because we say our A as an R sound, not an A sound, like Christine.
You do.
Because
you
Christine
do.
plays on the grass, I play on the grass.
Yeah, yeah. You
So
guys
the
are more
A is an
British
R
or something.
sound, like the Germans say.
Do the Germans say that?
Well, their A is an R, isn't it?
I thought it was an A.
Well, sound the German alphabet.
Ah. Oh,
What's the
yeah.
first letter? It's an R.
Yeah.
The same way I say it.
I see. So do you say dance or dance?
Dance.
Dance. Let's go dancing, dear.
Yes. That's...
So like you don't say, hey baby, want to dance? You say, excuse me, dear, would you like to dance? Would you like to dance with me, dear? We shall take the floor spot over here. Okay, do your accent like that. Excuse me, dear. And put your chin way up.
Hey Sheila, how about a shag?
Oi, Sheila, fancy a shag?